croeso Paige
Helo.
I podcast Gwasanaeth Ieuenctid Caerdydd I dathlu Wythnos Gwaith Ieuenctid. Welcome to Cardiff Youth Services podcast in celebration of Youth Work Week. So tell me about your job and what you get up to from day to day.
Okay, so I'm the senior youth sport worker for Cardiff South. So alongside Daryl, I manage Grangetown, Butetown, Splot and Tremorfa. So I manage full-time staff of youth sport workers in schools and also part-time assistant and youth sport workers in the evening as well in youth provision.
Lush. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I love it. Every day's different.
What youth work and what services are available for young people in your areas?
So our area actually has two of the biggest youth centres. So we have 6 nights of provision a week, and we also have sport on a Wednesday in the Star Hub in Tremorfa, and we also have young carers on a Saturday in Butetown. So we do offer quite a lot over the 2 areas. Yeah.
So within your areas, do you do any street-based work or activities outdoors in the areas?
Yeah, we've got 2 street-based workers or outreach workers who will target different areas week to week. So if we get counsellors contacting us saying there's sort of trouble areas or parents or just, it's a quiet night, we might just go out and do some street-based as well, yeah.
Yeah, lush. Thinking on your feet. Love it. Yeah. What if a young person in your area hadn't done anything with youth work, didn't know what youth work was, how would you tell them to get involved in youth work in your area, or how would they be able to get that support that they might need?
So when we're doing outreach and street-based, we take sort of the QR code so they can sign up. I've also got the poster on my phone as well, just to explain kind of what we offer. And if we know they're from certain schools as well, we tell them to come and speak to the youth support worker in the school, just to explain what support they can get in school. If they just want more fun activities, and obviously youth club is for them, but they can make up their mind then of what they need and want.
Do they need to do anything to get involved, or?
Yeah, so obviously they got to fill out the membership form, give us their details just for health and safety, but
they can do that on the day when they turn up.
Yeah.
Lush. Do you have like a favourite memory of youth work so far, and how you got into it?
Yeah, so how I got into youth work, I did my level 2 and 3, and during then I did some work experience in Butetown, so that was 6-7 years ago. And then I got a job as an assistant in Eastmoors. Then I was promoted to youth sport worker. Then I was a mentor in Willows, then a EOTAS, and now I've got this job. So I've basically had so many jobs in my 7 years. Favourite memory is probably going to the summer pods and doing a silent disco, which was really funny. Obviously staff, kids all dancing and no one knew what song we listened to, so that was really funny.
I swear the week that I went on the summer pods was the only week that rained that summer, because everyone else had lush time and I was like a drowned rat for the whole time.
Typical. My tent was too small, so
I slept in the pod. I wasn't sleeping in a tent. No chance. What is the best thing about youth work? What fills your jar with loads of gratitude? And
I just love working with young people over a long period of time. So now we've got new juniors who are 10, 11, and I think in Butetown as well, they stay until they're 25. So I can see them for majority of their life.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's just getting to know them, finding out about them. Yesterday I was talking to one girl about her exams and how she wants to get a job and stuff like that. So it's just, I just enjoy getting to know them and having a laugh.
Yeah, it's really nice and an informal.
Yeah.
Getting to know young people.
I don't think I could be a teacher because it's a bit too structured, but youth work is just, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Enjoyable.
Lush. So when you do you work in Eastmoors during the day, or are you in Butetown?
Yeah, so Butetown is a hub, so it's not our building. We just use it 3 nights a week and on a Saturday. So I'm based in Eastmoors alongside Daryl and our team as well.
Amazing. How do you develop the bilingual? I can't speak.
Offer?
Bilingual offer in your area.
So one of our youth support workers is obviously Welsh Essential. So I know she definitely does her sessions or cooking sessions, and any session she does half English, half Welsh as well, just to kind of encourage young people to speak Welsh and practice as well. So that's kind of what we try to offer.
Amazing. Do you work with any partners within your areas?
So in Butetown, we work with the local mosque, offering them sport activities because they don't have access to a sports hall. So we offer them on a Tuesday. Cardiff Met as well, I know Eastmoors and Darrell works with to offer the sports multi-sport on a Wednesday. Young carers as well, so we're working with young carers, so they bring lots of young people as well as the young people we've already got. I can't think of any others off the top of my head, but I'm sure there's loads.
Amazing. Thank you so much.